Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Black. That's the shadow. It's black. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Orange. Whoops. Whoops. Okay, there's orange. Let's go to the next page. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Look, see, all food. All food is purple.
It's been great spending time with my granddaughter these last 5 days. She was so adventurous. And getting to know this little dog, Millie. She was a rambunctious little thing. Well, I'm laying down in the back of my truck. I'm parked in a Cracker Barrel parking lot just south of Fort Worth. We'll see how this works tonight. I understand they're kind of cracking down on people sleeping in their cars. It's only about 4:30 right now, but I'm tired. I just want to take a nap. So, hope I don't get a knock on the door about midnight. But we'll see. It's pouring rain. The wind is rocking the truck. I'm not getting much sleep tonight. It's Saturday morning. The thunder interrupted my sleep a few times, but all in all, I got a pretty good night's sleep. Thank you very much, Cracker Barrel. Appreciate that. Now for some cheap breakfast at Denny's. I have a AARP card, which gives me a discount. Well, I thought it did, but on their value menu, it does not, which was fine because I got 2 eggs, hash browns, and 2 pancakes for $5, which, by the way, I do not recommend Denny's hash browns. The AARP card is kind of a long story. I am a conservative. However, I found out that UFC made a deal with Paramount Plus to show all their pay-per-view events on Paramount Plus with their $60 a year membership. Then I found out I can get Paramount Plus free with a Walmart Plus membership. Then I further found out that with an AARP $16 membership, I can get Walmart Plus for $58 a year. So this whole thing started with me trying to get the UFC events. Now I have AARP membership plus Walmart Plus membership and Paramount Plus membership and the UFC events free, all for $78 a year. Little Charley had her 1-year birthday party today. She had a great time opening presents, and everybody there had a good time. It's a good thing they decided to have it indoors. I had a great time visiting my son and daughter-in-law and my little grandbaby, Charley. But it's time to head down to Hondo, Austin City, Texas. I'm more than halfway. I made it to the rest area, just a few miles past Hondo. So I'm going to catch some sack tonight, and tomorrow I'm going to the new place I'm going to live. See you tomorrow.